Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here again at Avalanche, double checking a couple of key factors here. It's not looking great. We got our, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, our fourth rejection off this descending trend line here just 24 hours ago. Okay, so again, not great in that sense until we get back up above that descending trend. As per usual, we got to be patient and wait for confirmation. Okay, so again, just kind of prefacing that so you understand back-end data could look kind of funky here today. Let's double check. So let's see what our liquidation levels are like this last 1 month's worth of trading. Keep in mind AVAX has this lower level of about $32 as a potential area to be swept. Okay, so again, a lot of liquidation down there. That's not great from a macro perspective. They're kind of letting us know that we could very well see a little bit more of a reset for this coin. It's not that much more, not much lower than the current price action. You know, it's only about $1 difference, but it is still something nonetheless. 31 to 32 is that area. We've got a lot of liquidation at $36 too in last week's worth of trading, so keep in mind we could very well see the price recover and sweep that level. Okay, so again, a lot of reasons why just being patient right now is important. Okay, I'm trying to kind of reiterate and reaffirm that here to everybody. I'm also posting that more fundamental updates on Twitter, Telegram, and now TikTok, so be sure to check that out. Link down below for that if you're curious. Love to have you follow me there, just because I'm trying to make sure we get more information to you in any way, shape, or form. And there's also a lot of things outside of technical analysis that are important to recognize. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's see where we're at here. When we last looked at this, it was important not to close below the 200-day SMA. We've rode this out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times in a row we've seen the price action close above the 200-day SMA. Today it's in jeopardy. So we close below $34. That would be a very, very bad thing. Okay. So again, keep in mind that's where AVAX is at in the general sense there. Does that mean the price is going to drop like a rock? No, but if we do lose that 200-day SMA, generally it takes a while to get back up above it. Okay, so at this point we can see everything's pretty bearish here on the daily time frame. There's nothing really showing us that we're in good shape. MACD is still converging, quote unquote, but that's not really much of a consolation here, folks. It's not a great sign to see that. So again, daily time frame still looking pretty bearish, right? No other way around it. Take a look at the 4 hour. Let's see where we're at here. We're below all moving averages. Everything's looking truly bearish as well. I'm just going to go ahead and extend this trend line down a little bit further. So we want to kind of pay attention to this trend line here, because this is a more recent support range based on larger time frames. Okay, so we wicked all the way down to that level at about 32.50. So there's a chance we could see the price action continue to recover here. A lot of it hinges on Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops to below 60K. We're going to see AVAX lose its support here. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Take a look at the 4 hour. Stochastic swinging down, money flow index is decreasing, and so is the RSI. And we can see MACD is soon to diverge here. Trying to diverge, hasn't officially yet, but we can pretty much presume the price action is having some difficulty right now, right? It's pretty obvious here. So generally when these things occur, you don't want to consider taking a trade. Now again, if you took a long at this recent support, congrats, I hope you're in profit, and obviously if you are, consider securing profit. Adjust the stop loss higher as you continue to get in profit, and it's just best practice to make sure that you do secure any type of profit at this point. Okay, it's important to recognize that. But at this point here, there's no reason to consider a long position. When we take a look, we can see stochastic swinging down. Correction, the convergence is below the baseline there. Lagging spans free and clear still, and of course we're below the cloud. So we got that resistance here once more at that $34 mark. So if the price does end up coming up here like this, for example, maybe a good consideration for a short with that bearish backtest of that level. Okay. Again, until we break above this descending trend here, basically the 20-day SMA on the daily, we have no reason to consider a long position unless you're scalping. And for example, we scalped the heck out of the market today with our altcoins here: BNB, Cardano, AVAX, 17% in 8 hours, XRP, Solana, ETH, and so is another previous BNB trade. Okay, so again, my day trading bot is killing it right now. Okay, now we are taking some profits in our traditional market too. Here's what with our swing trades, we took a gal long and a ruined short recently. But honestly, there hasn't been a lot of opportunity for swing trades because those are held for longer periods, and you do need more confirmation when it comes to taking a trade for longer times. Okay, so please recognize that. We're still not on the right side of the tracks here for AVAX for the moment. It's looking a lot more bearish than other coins, and I think that in general, we very well could see this lower level of liquidity get swept at 32, and who knows from there. Okay, so we see the price recover here. I would expect maybe a potential consideration for a short about 34 down to 32. Okay. Either way, hope that was beneficial and you liked the content. Please do me a favor, hit like button down below. Comment below, join me over on Twitter, Telegram, and now TikTok. We've got some fundamental stuff that I've been posting over there lately, and it's a lot more helpful. Getting good feedback. Thank you so much again for that. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, though. We'll see you in the next one. Take good care.